My name is Shreya Banerjee, and I'm a 32-year-old mom of a 2-year-old who keeps me pretty busy. I have been trying this online affiliate marketing thing for a while now, and I had a pretty bad case of the shiny object syndrome. I'm sure you've heard about it. I kept buying one product after another trying to make money online, and it took me a long time to realize that this is not the way to go about it. But I also learned through this journey was no matter how great your offer is, you have to drive traffic to it. And if you can't do that, you're just not going to make any money. And that's a fact. Now, I've tried everything that you can think about. I've tried paid ads, I've tried articles, I've tried Twitter, but I finally started to focus on videos. Now, video marketing is the future and you know it. Just about every platform out there is embracing videos. And I decided to take advantage of the free traffic from YouTube. The problem was that I had to learn everything the hard way. I found a huge gap in the industry because no one was showing you the whole picture. When I finally had the process nailed down and started making $858.55 a week, I decided to create Commissionator. Inside the members area, you can take a look over my shoulder as I take you through the entire process, from how to pick a niche to the advanced strategies I use to tackle SEO. I even show you my quick and easy videos that I make within 15 minutes. These are the same strategies I use to make $858.55 a week, and it works. There's no guesswork involved, and right now you can get your hands on it just by clicking the button that you see right below this video. I hope you take advantage of this special offer. I will see you inside the members area.